Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you felt truly alive, like your actions aligned perfectly with who you are? If you're struggling to find your purpose or waking up each day feeling stuck, you're not alone. Most people spend their entire lives chasing someone else's idea of success. Today, we're breaking that cycle. I'm going to show you how to discover your purpose and use it as fuel to stay motivated every single day. And stick around, because I'll share a simple mindset shift that could change everything for you. Why most people struggle to find purpose. The first reason most people struggle to find their purpose is this: they're looking in the wrong places. We're told to look outward, to follow society's expectations, trends, or what we think will make others approve of us. But purpose doesn't come from external validation. It's something deeply personal and internal. Another reason people feel stuck is the belief that purpose is a single, grand destiny you're supposed to discover. This mindset paralyzes you. Here's the truth: your purpose can evolve. It's not a fixed destination, it's a journey of uncovering what lights you up and creates value for the world. Take Steve Jobs, for example. His purpose wasn't just to build Apple, it was to create tools that empower people to think differently. Purpose isn't about what you do, it's about the why behind it. 3 steps to discover your purpose. Finding your purpose doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 3 steps to get started. Step 1. Ask better questions. Purpose is found by asking yourself questions that cut through the noise. What are the activities that make you lose track of time? What problems do you feel called to solve in the world? If you had unlimited resources, what would you do every day? For me, it started with asking, what do I wish someone had taught me 10 years ago? That question led me to creating this channel, to share insights that help people live more intentional lives. Step 2. Follow the threads of curiosity. Your purpose isn't something you figure out overnight. It starts with curiosity. Take small steps toward the things that intrigue you, whether it's learning a skill, volunteering, or exploring a passion project. The more you explore, the clearer your path becomes. Imagine someone passionate about art but unsure of their purpose. By experimenting, teaching kids to paint, creating a gallery, or even just sharing art online, they might discover their purpose lies in inspiring creativity in others. Step 3. Define your impact. Purpose isn't just about what you want, it's about how you impact others. Write down how you want to make people feel or what you want them to gain from your work. Purpose often lies at the intersection of what you love and how you can serve. Picture your life 10 years from now. If you could hear what people would say about you, what would you want them to remember? That's your compass. How to stay motivated every day. 1. Start with a why ritual. Every morning, spend 5 minutes reconnecting with your purpose. Write it down, visualize it, or say it out loud. Motivation fades, but purpose pulls you forward. When you know your why, you'll find the strength to push through even the hardest days. 2. Break down big goals into tiny wins. One reason people lose motivation is because their goals feel overwhelming. Break big goals into daily, manageable steps. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. If your purpose is to write a book, start with 1 sentence a day. Momentum is built through action. 3. Surround yourself with purpose-driven people. Motivation is contagious. Spend time with people who are actively pursuing their goals. They'll inspire you to do the same. And don't forget to distance yourself from negativity. It's one of the biggest motivation killers. And finally, the mindset shift that changes everything. Here's the truth: you don't find your purpose, you create it. Purpose isn't waiting for you to discover it, it's something you build by aligning your actions with your values. When you shift your mindset from "I need to find my purpose" to "I'm going to live with intention," everything changes. Suddenly, every small action becomes meaningful. Every failure becomes a lesson. And every day becomes an opportunity to live with purpose. Now it's your turn. Take 5 minutes today to reflect on what drives you, and take 1 small step toward your purpose. Share your why in the comments, I'd love to hear it. And if this video inspired you, share it with someone who might need a reminder that purpose is within their reach. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to live a life full of meaning and success. Your purpose is waiting, let's build it together.